Mutating data accidentally is one of the most common bugs in JavaScript and TypeScript applications. So how do you make all properties of an object read-only to prevent unwanted changes? Let's explore the solutions. The primary solution is TypeScript's built-in read-only utility type. You wrap your type with read-only angle brackets, and TypeScript transforms all properties to read-only. For example, if you have a user interface with name and email properties, read-only user makes both properties immutable at the type level. This syntax is clean and works with any object type, interface, or type alias. It's crucial to understand that read-only provides compile time protection only. TypeScript checks happen during development and build time, catching errors before your code runs. However, this protection disappears at runtime because TypeScript compiles to JavaScript. If you need actual runtime immutability, you'll need a different approach. For runtime immutability, use JavaScript's Object.freeze method. It prevents adding, removing, or modifying properties at runtime. When you call Object.freeze on an object, any attempt to change it will fail silently in non-strict mode or throw an error in strict mode. You can combine both approaches. Use read-only for type safety and Object.freeze for runtime safety. One important limitation. Read-only is shallow, meaning it only affects the top-level properties. If your object has nested objects, those inner properties remain mutable. For example, if user has an address object, read-only user makes the address reference read-only, but you can still modify properties inside the address object. For deep immutability, you'd need to recursively apply read-only or use specialized utility types. To make all properties read-only, use the read-only utility type for compile time type safety and Object.freeze for runtime immutability. Remember that read-only is shallow, so nested objects need special handling. Master these patterns to write safer, more predictable TypeScript code. Start practicing with read-only in your next project. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.